Okay, after clicking next or finished to create the application, the folder application, I have a folder in my PyCharm project with the name of the application that I set the app. And this is an empty folder, and when I click on PyCharm right now, I have the app, the application with a blank. So I have copied an image, so I can add the image here and then we can start. So let's copy the image. Alright, now I just paste the image here in my folder and go back to PyCharm. I should have the image here, user proof. So let's start. I will create a file, a Python file, and call it one or read the image. So reading an image is one of the most important things to start with. Someone might tend to ignore that step because it sounds as display the image, which we can do by just double clicking here, and we have the image. So why should we code something like that we have without coding? So because of the fact that before we can do anything with the image, we have to have possibility to read the image. So by reading an image, we are not displaying it. There is big difference between read and display an image. So if we want to display the image, so let's add the libraries, import CV tool as CV if you want, import what we would like to import first, NumPy, probably NumPy as. So to read an image, what we have to do is CV2 or CV because we import it as CV. I am read and the path of the image. First, user png, and that's it. We are done with the reading of the image. But if I run this program, nothing will happen. Yeah, everything is going well. Finish process with code 0. That means I have no mistakes, but nothing happened because we didn't say we didn't tell the program what to do with the image, but it knows that the image exists. So what would you like to do is display the image. Yeah, so we have the possibility right now to be able to display the image because we already have it read. So what we can do is CV, or we can firstly set it on a variable, like my im is this one. So what we can do is show the image to the user. So just CV show that the function that we can use. But look at this. When I write in, we have im show. So first of all, we have to add the Windows name and then the image. So if I click on this, I have this, and the window name will be displaying our image, and comma, and the name of the image, which is my IMG. So this is what we can do to display an image, but it's a little bit tricky because if I start the image right now, start the program, sorry, appears and it go back immediately, because we have to say OpenCV to wait for something during showing the image. Yeah, for example, with the function cv wait key, this is a delay, so the OpenCV knows that it has to wait for something before the windows, before closing the windows. So after waiting, we can add cv dot destroy all windows, and that's it. So when we pass it, anything that we press, so if I run the program right now, we have the image and the title displaying our image. So whenever I press on a button like G or T or whatever, the image goes. So today we have learned those functions. To read the image, when we read the image, we have possibility to do anything else, and to show the image and prevent the window to close immediately after showing up. So we wait and we destroy all windows. See you next.